Welcome to Control Systems walkthrough of the new Orca R32 speed control. We wanted to walk through the actual firmware upgrade process to make it easier for you guys as you get your new speedos. One of the big differences from previous models is the use of micro SD cards as part of the programmer. We'll show you how to get this formatted and get the files necessary to update your speed controls. So the first thing is to actually get to the Orca site. The Orca site has sections for support, firmware, and within those screens you can download the latest version for the new R32 speed control as they become available. The next thing is to take your micro SD card and put it into your Windows machine. In this specific case, we've got a Surface tablet here to show you how flexible and easier it is to actually get this done. I've got my memory card in my machine that you see here. Now, one of the first things you're going to need to do, and don't forget to do this, is to actually set up a file folder that will contain your firmware package for the speed control to recognize. So basically just go ahead and type in firmware and create a file folder for that. Go ahead and open that up and navigate to that. So now I can take those files that I downloaded from the Orca site, easily drag them into the folder, and within a couple seconds that should be on my memory card. Looks like we're good. I can now take that memory card out. And one of the key things, again, that's different between previous program cards and this current version is the use of the micro SD card. You'll notice that there is a specific orientation for that card to insert into the unit. Be sure that you actually insert it correctly and don't force it in. Once you plug it in, you'll notice it'll snap and stay in the unit. One piece of advice is you might want to take a piece of tape and cover this up, just to prevent the micro SD card from ejecting itself while you have it in your pit bag or radio box. So now that we have that in the actual program card, we're connected to the R32 speed control via the serial port. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Be sure you have a fully charged battery pack just to make sure that in the middle of the process of updating both the program and speed control, you don't happen to have things actually shut down by accident. So the screen quickly boots up to the menu. What we're going to do is actually navigate to update. I'm going to press enter and press enter again. And within that I can actually see the file that I need to load, which I just transferred over. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter one more time. And we've started the updating process. Now the updating process can take about a minute to do, so just watch the progress bar load. In the meantime, there is a similar process for updating the programming card itself. Follow the instructions in the manual and you'll be all set. Just a couple more bars here and we should be complete. And we have success. And that wraps up this quick walkthrough on how to program your R32 speed control from Orca. Follow this quick start guide. It should get you up to speed quickly, and we'll see you at the track.